In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supertrend indicator in TradingView Mobile. The Supertrend is a popular trend following tool that overlays directly on your price chart and helps you quickly see when momentum shifts. It's especially handy on mobile when you want a clean, at a glance read on direction without juggling multiple indicators. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone and make sure you're signed in so your layout saves. From the main screen, head to the chart section at the bottom of the app. If you land on your watch list or ideas, just tap Chart to bring up a live chart. If no symbol is loaded, pick any ticker from your watch list. Time frame doesn't matter for adding the indicator, you can change it later. Next, look along the bottom toolbar of the chart for the Indicators button. On mobile, it appears as a graph-style icon and opens the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel. Tap that, and you'll see a search bar at the top along with categories below. In the search bar, type Supertrend. You'll typically see two entries, Supertrend, which is the overlay indicator you want, and Supertrend Strategy, which is designed for backtesting with built-in long and short rules. For a clean real-time overlay on your chart, tap the standard Supertrend indicator. The moment you add it, you'll see colored bands and signals appear directly on the price chart, shifting as the trend changes. A quick tip. After it's added, you can fine-tune it by opening the indicator settings from the chart look for the gear next to Supertrend in your active indicators list. Common tweaks include the ATR length and multiplier, which control how sensitive the lines are to price changes. Smaller values react faster but can produce more frequent flips. Larger values smooth things out for fewer, stronger signals. You can also adjust colors and line thickness for better visibility on mobile. That's it. You've added the Supertrend to your TradingView mobile chart. Save your layout so it's there next time, and you can switch symbols or time frames while the indicator stays active.